Alright, there's 3 cups of water. It's gonna boil. Then you put in a little bit of salt. Not too much, a couple teaspoons. What I'm making is polenta, which is just cornmeal. I'm going to put some garlic powder in it, crushed red pepper, and that's all. You can buy this is actually polenta mix, but it's just cornmeal. The only reason I bought it was because it was on sale. Otherwise, you just buy just plain cornmeal. Thick it's getting. This is a really heavy bottom saucepan. That's why it's holding its heat so good. It's splattering. Rather. So once it gets pretty thick, not like that. Add some garlic powder. A couple of pretty good teaspoons. Crushed red pepper. Like that. Yeah, that should do it. That's what it looks like. Just a little extra salt. That's how thick it is. That's that. Italian style polenta. That's it. All right, about I don't know how much time went by, probably an hour and a half or something. I don't know if you can see it, but it pulled away from the edges and it's cool. So let's see how it tastes. It's excellent. Here's the consistency. See how it's thick, almost jelly, not jelly, but kind of solid. Oh, I was definitely heavy-handed on the hot pepper. It's really good. You can cut that into pieces, dry the bottom because it'll be a little bit moist. Fry it in some, flour it, fry it in some olive oil, put some tomato sauce or something on top, garlic. Eat it cold, which is what I do. Pretty much whatever you want.